Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yesterday, in determinants, we have solved the problems on adjoint and inverse of order 2 cross 2. Today, let us solve the problem of order 3 cross 3. Let us find the adjoint of find the adjoint of A 1 2 3 1 2 1 minus 1 3 2. So find the adjoint of A. So this is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. So yesterday we have defined the adjoint of the matrix by using the matrix of order 2 cross 2. So let us take A. A is a matrix 1 2 3 1 2 1 minus 1 3 2. So we know the general form of the matrix, that is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, then A31, A32, A33. This is the general form of the matrix of order 3 cross 3. So now let us find the minors and cofactors first. So let us find the minors. So A11 element minor is M11. M11 means we have to take. So how to leave this one? So first row and the first column 2 1 3 2. So then if you find the value of this 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. So now we have to find the cofactors. Cofactors of A11. Cofactor is defined as capital A11, that is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 1 plus 1. The element is 11. So let us add the element 1 plus 1 into 1, that is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 2 into 1, that is equal to, if you multiply 2 times the minus 1, you will get plus 1. Plus 1 into 1 is 1. So the cofactor of A11 is 1. Now let us find the A12. A12 minor element is M12. M12 lies in the second column and the first row. 1 1 minus 1 2. So then 2 minus of minus 1, that is equal to minus into minus plus. 2 plus 1 is 3. So now let us find the cofactor, that is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 1 plus 2 into 3. Then if you multiply, the power is 1 plus 2 means 3. Add number. If you multiply 3 times the minus 1, you are getting minus 1 only. Minus 1 into 3, that is equal to minus 3. Now let us take A13. A13 minor is M13. M13 means, so you have to leave the third column and the first row. 1 2 minus 1 3. Then 1 into 3 is 3. Then minus of minus 2, that is equal to minus into minus plus. Then 3 plus 2 is 5. Then the cofactor is A12, this one. A13, that is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 1 plus 3 into 5, that is equal to, here 4 is there. The power 4 is there, means even number. To multiply 4 times a minus 1, you are getting plus 1 into 5, that is equal to 5. Again A21, M21 means you have to leave the second row and the first column. Second row and the first column means 2 3 3 2. Then 4 minus 9, that is equal to minus 5. Then let us find the cofactor of A21, that is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 1 into minus 5. Then that is equal to minus 1 whole into minus 5, that is equal to plus 5. Okay. So now let us find the minor of A22. A22 means M22. M22 means we have to leave the second row and the second column. Second row and the second column means 1 3 1 3, then minus 1 2, minus 1 2, then 2 into minus of minus 3, that is equal to minus into minus plus. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now, how to find the cofactors A22? A22 means minus 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 2 into 5, that is equal to, so the power is 4, then the minus 1 becomes plus 1 into 5, that is equal to 5. So now let us go for the A23. A23 means M23. M23, that is equal to, M23 means second row and the third column. Second row and third column means 1 2 1 2 1, sorry, 1 2 minus 1 3, 1 2 minus 1 3, that is equal to 3, minus of minus 2, that is equal to 5. Then A23 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 3, then that is equal to into 5. Then, so what happens here? So minus 1 into 5, that is equal to minus 5. So next, A31. A31 means M31. M31 means you have to take, so M31 means you have to take the, you have to leave the third row and the first column. Third row and the first column means, so 2 3 2 3 2 1, then 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 1. So 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 1. A31 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 into minus 1, that is equal to, the power is 4 even number. If you multiply 4 times the minus 1, you are getting the plus 1. So again, so 1 into minus 1, you are getting the cofactor as minus 1. So next, A32. A32 means M32. M32 means, M32 lies in the second column and the third row, means 1 3 1 1 1 3 1 1 1 3 1 1, then 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 2. A32 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus 2 into minus 2, then the power is 5. If you multiply 5 times a minus 1, you are getting minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 2, that is equal to plus 2. Then A33 is equal to M33. M33 means that the M33 lies in the third row and the third column. So 1 2 1 2, then 2 minus 2, then that is equal to 0. A33 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus 3, then into 0, then you are getting 0 only. So these are the these are the minor elements and these are the cofactors. So you have to take the cofactors. You have to write the cofactors in a matrix. Cofactor of A is equal to, so first three elements in the first row, 1 minus 3 5, then 5 second row, 5 minus 5, then third row, minus 1 2 0. So this is the cofactor of A. So we have written in the matrix. Now let us adjoint. Adjoint means, so cofactor of A should be transpose. ADJ of A is equal to, so row should be written in the column, that is called as a transpose. 1 minus 3 5, 5 minus 5, minus 1 2 0. So this is the adjoint of A of order 3 cross 3. So let us go for the next one. Find the inverse of A is equal to, find the inverse of A, 1 1 1 3 minus 2 1 1 2 1. So find the inverse of A means the order 3 of, here has given the matrix of order 3 cross 3. So let us find the inverse of the matrix 3 cross 3. So to find the inverse, we should find first the adjoint. Okay. So let us take the given matrix. What is the given matrix? A, 1 1 1 3 minus 2 1 1 2 1. So general matrix is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So this is the general matrix. So now let us find the first minus and cofactors. Okay. So let us take A11. A11 is equal to A11, minus of A11 is, that is equal to, so yeah, we have to leave this in first row and the first column. First row and the first column means, so minus 2, 1 2 1, then so this into this is minus 2, then minus 2. So minus 2 means minus 4. You are getting the minor is, the A11 minor is minus 4. Let us find a cofactor. A11 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 1 plus 1 into minus 4, that is equal to, so here the power is 1 plus 1 is 2 means even number. Even number means you have to multiply, means you are getting plus 1. So plus 1 into minus 4 means you are getting minus 4. So now let us find A12. Next element A12 means M12. M12 is equal to, M12 lies in the first row and the second column. First row and the second column means 3 1 1 1, that is equal to 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So then A12 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 1 plus 2 into 2, that is equal to, the power is 1 plus 2 is 3, minus 1 into 2, that is equal to minus 2. So then A13 is equal to M13. M13 means you have to leave the first row and the third column. 3 minus 2 1 2, that is equal to 6 minus of minus 2, then minus into minus is plus, 6 plus 2 is 8. A13 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 1 plus 3 into 8, that is equal to, the power is 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 means minus, if you multiply minus 1 with 4 means 4 times means you are getting plus 1. So plus 1 into 8 is, that is equal to 8. Then next A21. A21 means M21, that is equal to, M21 means you have to do the first column and the second row means 1 1 1 1 2 1, that is equal to 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. Then A21 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 1 into minus 1, that is equal to, the power is 3, add number. If you multiply minus 1 3 times means you are getting minus 1 only. Minus 1 into minus 1, that is equal to plus 1. Again A22 means M22. M22 means you have to do the second row and the second column. Second row and the second column means 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Then you are getting 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. A22 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 2. Then into 0 means you are getting the value 8 into t is 0. Then A23 means M23. M23 lies in the second row and the third column. 1 1 1 2, that is equal to 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1 A23 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 into 1, so 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. If you multiply minus 1 5 times, we are getting minus 1 only. That is equal to minus 1 into 1, that is equal to minus 1. Then next, A31. A31 means M31. M31 means M31 lies in the first column and the third row. Third row means 1 1 minus 2 1. So 1 minus of minus 2, that is equal to minus into minus plus. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then A31 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus 1 into 3. So 3, the power is here even number. If you multiply 4 times, you are getting minus 1 is plus 1. Plus 1 into 3 is 3 only. Then next, A32. A32 means M32. M32 means here. So third row and the second column. Third row and the second column means 1 1 3 1. That is equal to 1 minus 3. That is equal to minus 2. A32 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus 2 into minus 2, that is equal to, here power is 5, then minus 1 into minus 2, that is equal to plus 2. Then the next one is A33, last element M33. M33 means we have to leave that M33 lies in the third row and the third column. Then 1 1 3 minus 2, then minus 2 minus 3. Here 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, 1 into 3 is 3. Then here minus 5. Then A33 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus 3 into minus 5. That is equal to minus 1 means here power is 6 means it will be positive into minus 5. That is equal to minus 5. So we have find the minus and the cofactors. Now let us write the matrix here. Cofactors of A. Cofactor of A is equal to, let us write the three elements, minus 4, minus 2, 8, then 1, 0, then minus 1, then 3, then 2, 5. So we have find the cofactors. Now let us find the adjoint. Adjoint of A. Adjoint of A means minus 4, minus 2, 8, 1, 0, minus 1, 3, 2, 5. So we have find the adjoint. So we have not written here the formula for the inverse. Now let us write the formula for the inverse. What is the formula for the inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. This is the formula. So in this formula, we have find the adjoint. Now we have to find the determinant value. Let us find the determinant of A. So determinant of A is equal to, so what is the determinant? 1, 1, 1, 3. So minus 2. So 1, 1, 2, 1. We can find by using the, in the 4.4, we have solved the problem by using the third rows, third columns, cofactors. That method you can follow here. Let us follow here. So you can follow here by taking the first column. Okay. So first column means, so we can write that A11 into cofactor of A11 plus A12, A12 into cofactor of A12 plus A13 into cofactor of A13. So A11 element is 1. 1 into cofactor is minus 4. Then plus A12 element is 1. 1 into cofactor is minus 2. Then A13 element is 1. A13 element is 1 and the cofactor is 8. So minus 4. Then minus 2 plus 8, that is equal to, so minus 6 plus 8, that is equal to 2. So we got the value of the determinant here. So 2. So let us substitute the values in the formula. A inverse is equal to 1 by 2 into adjoint of A, minus 4, 1, 3, minus 2, 0, 2, 8, minus 1, 5. If you multiply with this, A inverse is equal to minus 4 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 2 by 2, 0 by 2, then 2 by 2, then 8 by 2, minus 1 by 2, then 5 by 2. That is equal to, so here minus 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 1, 0, 1. So 4 minus 1 by 2, 5 by 2. So this is the inverse of order 3 cross 3. So take down the assignment questions. So yeah, first problem 1, 2, 3, minus 4. Second problem 1, minus 1, 2, 2, 3, 5. Then minus 2, 0. Then 1. Next, second. Verify at A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A, that is equal to determinant A is equal to I. The first problem is in this 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. Then the second problem is 1, minus 1, then 2, 3, 0, then minus 2, 1, 0, 3. The next third one. Find the inverse of the matrices. First one 2, minus 2, 4, 3. Then second one minus 1, 5, minus 3, 2. Then third one 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, then 0, 0, 5. The next fourth one 1, 0, 0, 3, 3, 0, 5, 2, minus 1. The next one 2, 1, 3, 4, minus 1, 0, then minus 7, 2, 1. Next problem 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 2, minus 3, 3, minus 2, 4. Then the last problem 1, 0, 0, 0 cos alpha, then sin alpha, then 0 sin alpha, then minus cos alpha. So these are the assignment questions. You have to solve the problems.